Flying can be stressful at any age, but for seniors, long walks, heavy luggage, and unfamiliar airports can make it even more challenging. The good news, with a few smart strategies, you can make air travel easier, safer, and far more comfortable. But first, welcome to Travel Wisdom. Do you have any travel tips that make flying easier for seniors? Share your experiences or advice in the comments. It could help someone else have a smoother journey. Now let's get started. Book flights early for flexibility. Booking months in advance not only helps you get better prices, but also gives access to better seat selection, priority boarding, and more time to arrange special assistance if needed. So, let's talk about choosing the right seat. Window seats, they offer great views and usually mean fewer disruptions throughout the flight. On the other hand, aisle seats make it a lot easier to get up for bathroom trips. If you prefer to get off the plane quickly, seats near the front are a good option. And for those longer flights, you might want to consider extra legroom or premium economy seats for a bit more comfort. It's a good idea to request special assistance early. Airlines actually provide wheelchair service, help escorting you through terminals, and even assistance with your luggage. By notifying the airline in advance, you can make sure your journey through the airport goes a lot smoother. Remember to pack smart and light. Your carry-on should always include essentials like medications, travel documents, snacks, glasses, and a change of clothes, just in case. Try to avoid checking valuables and consider using a small travel pouch to keep your most important items close at hand. Keep medications and health info handy. It's really important to bring your medications in their original bottles, along with a list of your prescriptions, dosages, and your doctor's contact details. Also, you might want to consider setting alarms to help you maintain your medication schedule, especially if you're crossing time zones. Stay hydrated. Airplane air is very dry, so it's a good idea to drink water regularly. Try to avoid having too much caffeine or alcohol, and bring a refillable water bottle to make sure you stay hydrated throughout the flight. Move and stretch frequently. Walking up and down the aisle or doing in-seat stretches every hour or two really helps improve circulation, prevents stiffness, and lowers the risk of blood clots. Dress comfortably and in layers. Cabin temperatures can really vary, so wearing light, breathable layers, supportive shoes, and maybe having a scarf or sweater handy helps you adjust to both warm and cool conditions. Use travel insurance for peace of mind. It can cover medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost luggage, or delays, which is especially important for seniors. Research airport layouts in advance. Large airports can require some pretty long walks, so knowing where lounges, restrooms, shuttle services, and assistance points are located can really save energy and reduce stress. Bring entertainment and comfort items. Books, puzzles, tablets, headphones, neck pillows, and travel blankets really do make flights more enjoyable and help pass the time comfortably. Understand TSA and security procedures. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with security rules, including those about liquids, electronics, and mobility aids. Programs like TSA PreCheck can make screening faster and a lot less stressful. Notify airlines about special needs. If you have dietary restrictions, hearing or vision concerns, or mobility limitations, be sure to communicate these before you travel. Airlines can provide meals, extra assistance, or special seating to help make your journey smoother. So, plan layovers carefully. Long layovers can be pretty tiring, but if your connection is too short, you might risk missing your next flight. It's a good idea to check out rest areas, lounges, and other amenities in advance to make those connections a lot more comfortable. Check health requirements before traveling. Make sure your vaccinations, medications, and doctor checkups are all up to date. And, just so you know, some airlines may actually request medical clearance for certain conditions. Travel with a companion if possible. Having someone there to help with luggage, navigate airports, or just provide a little extra assistance really adds a lot of safety and comfort to your journey. Use mobility aids when needed. Canes, walkers, or foldable wheelchairs are allowed on most flights with prior notice, and they really help with those long walks through terminals. Plan for extra rest. Older travelers may need a bit more downtime between flights or after long journeys, so it's a good idea to schedule breaks to avoid exhaustion. Pack snacks for blood sugar and energy. Bring small, healthy snacks like dried fruits or granola bars, just in case meals are delayed or not quite enough. Keep important documents accessible. It's a good idea to use a travel pouch or a neck wallet for easy access to your passport, boarding pass, and insurance info. Alert the crew about medical needs. Flight attendants can provide assistance or respond quickly if a medical issue arises during the flight. Check bathroom accessibility. Choosing aisle seats near restrooms really helps manage frequent trips, especially on those long flights. Consider seat upgrades for comfort. Extra legroom, premium economy, or exit row seats can really make those long flights a whole lot more comfortable and help reduce strain. Carry a small first aid kit. Include band-aids, pain relievers, antiseptic wipes, motion sickness medication, and anything else you may need in an emergency. Avoid heavy carrying. Use luggage with wheels or ask for help from airport staff. Try to avoid lifting overhead bins alone if it's difficult. Stay on top of medication timing. Crossing time zones can affect schedules, so alarms, reminders, or a travel watch can help ensure medications are taken on time. By following these 26 essential tips, seniors can turn flying from stressful to manageable, reducing physical strain, staying safe, and arriving at their destination feeling refreshed. With preparation, air travel can be both comfortable and enjoyable. Do you have any travel tips that make flying easier for seniors? Share your experiences or advice in the comments. It could help someone else have a smoother journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.